I really want to know what's in these. Oh, I've never peeled one so well before. Towards me. Oh, I got that off completely. I've never done that. Ooh, what do you get in here? I think it's a painting. This okay. We have bottled water. I believe the yellow ones are the branded ones and the green ones are the unbranded ones. Okay, we have oats, which I have seen a lot of. Oh, how cool is that? You can see. What's this one? This is meat. Lamb chops. This one's lamb. We have the big dinner box from Pizza Hut. Okay. It's two kinds of pizza, chicken nuggets or something, or wings, and maybe that's garlic bread. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe the we got oh, I can't read it, it's so blurry. You can see Morning Star is Kikkoman soy sauce. This just reminds me of Christian Hull. Got the sauce. I know it's not tomato sauce, but I'm pretty sure he would be happy with that too. You've been watching Nana. Thanks for making it to the end with me.